Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a token on Coinbase wallet. So want to open up your Coinbase wallet. All you have to do is go ahead and click receive or buy. So either you want to buy it straightly on Coinbase wallet or you want to receive it. You want to go ahead and click on the address and copy it. Once you've copied your address, you want to go ahead, for example, to Binance. And from here, basically withdraw the funds. So I'm just going to go to my wallets, withdraw, choose Solana, and then I'm just going to enter the address here and you choose the network and you send it, basically withdraw it to your Coinbase wallet. After you will have it, it will automatically be here on your Coinbase because there's no other way to add it here on Coinbase. They do this automatically, so you don't have to do anything. You only need to either buy it or receive it. To buy it, you can go ahead and click here, pay with, select the method. As you can see, there's a lot of methods here. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.